You're now about to witness the truth and the street.